Student life is shaped by the city of Brisbane. You're surrounded by streets, gardens, and riverside walks. Making friends at QUT often starts in the classroom. Group projects and workshops are a regular part of study, and working together helps students connect quickly. QUT has more than 150 clubs and societies, giving students plenty of opportunity to meet people with similar interests.
Uni's a great way to make friends. I've made some excellent friends, or lifelong friends even, through doing group assignments and through the QUT club. There's many ways to socialise and interact with people at QUT. My top tip for QUT is to get involved in the networking events, whether that's through clubs such as Women in Tech or through the QUT social events. You don't know who you'll meet or where it'll take you.
The campuses encourage students to spend whole days in the city, moving between classes, social spaces and the gardens, before heading home on buses, trains or ferries. At Gardens Point, you can step straight into the Botanic Gardens or cross the river to South Bank. Many students use the Goodwill Bridge on their way to and from campus. Over 40,000 people walk or cycle across it each week, making the bridge a natural part of daily life. Kelvin Grove has its own village energy, with student apartments, weekly markets and a creative community feel. Most students live in Brisbane's inner city suburbs and commute in. West End, Spring Hill and Fortitude Valley are popular choices with plenty of apartments and share houses. This style of living is usually the cheapest, with students moving in with strangers who soon become housemates. Kitchens and lounges often double as social spaces, and for many, sharing a house becomes an important part of uni life. Public transport links these suburbs directly to the city, making the daily commute simple. Many students enjoy this setup because it gives them independence while keeping them connected to everything happening in Brisbane. For international students, QUT's location is a major advantage. Living in the city makes it easier to find part-time work and to take part in Brisbane's social life. The climate is subtropical with hot summers, mild winters and an outdoor lifestyle that runs all year. Brisbane is also well connected to the Gold Coast and Sunshine Coast, both less than 2 hours away, adding beaches and surf culture to the student experience.